So you want to take a sexy, spicy picture for your significant other, but you're not sure how to pose your face. That's one of the #1 questions that clients ask me when they come for a boudoir session with me. Am I going to be able to look sexy? How am I going to be able to look seductive and give that sultry face? Well, I am here to give you a few little tips and tricks to help you do that on your own. Just like everything else, this takes practice. You aren't gonna perfect it on the first time, and that's okay. We have to do these baby steps to get it exactly where we want. There are 2 ways to do this and perfect your sultry face. 1 is by taking several selfies and looking back at them, and 2, by doing it in the mirror. And I understand, you're gonna feel silly, you're gonna feel so awkward, but guess what? You are the only one there. Who else is judging you except yourself? And I get it, she's the worst judge possible, but you have to be open-minded. Imagine as if the camera is your significant other. I know, easier said than done. Also, when you look at this picture afterwards, after you take it, look through their eyes. Don't look through your eyes, you're gonna critique it up and down. Look through their eyes. So if I were to just say to you, look at the camera, strike a sexy pose, you can't have a connection, right? If I were to just be like this and just be like, there's nothing there, there's no connection. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna close our eyes, take a deep breath, and we're gonna really get into the moment and then slowly open those eyes, and you'll see a subtle difference. This is what I tell my girls all the time, and every time they do it and I'm like, oh, did you feel that? And they do. It just feels so sultry and it softens the face. Okay, ready? So if I were to do this, I would close my eyes, give that nice deep breath, and then open your eyes when you're ready. Do you see that little subtle difference between the connection between me and you? I mean, this is the camera, but you know what I mean. Trick number 2, when you're posing, it is best to look off to the side first, fixate your eyes on something, and then bring it back to the camera. So you can keep your head shifted a little off and just your eyes come to it. So if you were to be like this, up in a pose, and you look off to the side, not all the way off, just slightly off to the camera, fixate on an object, and then bring your eyes, right? So you just a subtle difference with that. And again, perfect it. Another trick, always relax this bottom lip. You never want tight lips because you're just gonna have RBF. You know what that means. So there's a difference between and. See that? It's just slightly parted. And I'm gonna tell you, you're gonna feel silly, but it looks sexy, I promise. And do not tell me that you are not photogenic. That is a myth. Every woman is beautiful. Every woman on this platform is beautiful, and you can do it. I have had hundreds of clients even just like tell me that they are like, wow, I never thought that I could actually look sexy. This is crazy. You have to perfect it, and you have to just get in that mindset, because once you do that, the world will change. You are beautiful. You can do it. Just start at home. Practice. You've got it. And you'll build up the confidence. And again, you are at home. So you can do this in the privacy of your own home with just you. There is no one else judging you. There's no one else looking at you. It's this connection with your phone. That's it. So get that confidence, boost that self-esteem, know that you are sexy, and follow for more tips on tricks and what to wear, how to pose, things like that, because I am here to show you that you are beautiful. I am not here to change the way you look. I am just here to change the way that you look at yourself.